Our God don't answer emails, but he answers knee-mails. So get out and talk to him sometime. So absolutely not, I was not scared. And like I said, I didn't do this to try to make any money. If I do, that's a blessing. And if I don't, hey, that's a blessing too. I just love fishing. I just love fishing. I can't wait to get my kids back out here with me and my wife. But you know, they can't take the heat. I get that. But hey man, like I said, thank y'all for joining me today. I'm gonna try to bring y'all some good content, show you some things. Get down in the comment, maybe you could show me something. You know, we always learn, okay? So let's go catch some bond dope. Ooh.
Dog it up
Yes,
out of there.
sir. You got it? Nah, we need some big ones, dog. Sorry, but we got a 14 and a half on board. Y'all see it. Now we recording. Some alcohol wipes right here.
Yeah.
In that compartment.
Some, you know. That way I don't end up like Aquaman. What there?
In that compartment. Move that cooler out the way. It's in a blue first aid kit thing.
No. You got the boat. You just had Teresa out there just shopping for everything.
Get this, get that, get this.
Just all excited.
I was excited, boy. I was about to get 2 of them. She was like, yeah, you're right.
Wouldn't spend $100,000 in a day, boy.
Yeah, in Wally World. I'm about to retie that one. Do that vibration thing, man. Point your rod down and then snap your line and see if it pop out like that. I've been seeing a lot of people do that, yeah.
Send those shockwaves down.
There you go. It worked.
It worked.
Golly. That's crazy.
It worked.
It worked. I'm a true believer now. Got it. On up here. Oh yeah. That's a level. Might be 12. Check him out, YouTube.
That's how you hook a fish, baby. Hey, stop it.
12 for sure.
Yeah, he 12.
Oh, come here.
Get his head up, bro. Good one.
Oh, that's a good one.
Another 12.
Another 12. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Let's go. Put him in the cup, Key. Another 12, just like old Hook Sex said. That's a 12.
10 will steer you wrong.
Although it was at one time.
Oh, here we go. I told you, somebody was getting smoked.
That's a 10. Yes, sir, that's a 10.
Somebody was getting smoked right there.
Don't know who it was.
Didn't know who
but
it was gonna
somebody
be.
was getting smoked. Yeah, they tight up in there too.
Yeah. Hey, I hope y'all paying attention, man, to them classic hook sets. For
Classic.
real. For real. And I mean, hey, and I wanna thank y'all for the name, you know, for the people, by the people. You understand what I'm saying?
Click.
I'm for the people.
For the people. By the people.
For the people, by the people. I mean, boy, just snooty.
No, I got it. I was just telling myself. Come on up here. Come on. Woo, what is it? Oh boy, get in. Yes, sir. I think we own him, y'all.
Yeah, you gonna turn your back on me. Look at, hey, I'm telling you, my hook sets be classic, bro. Classic. I'm telling you, I put on a clinic for you.
Yeah, let's go, baby.
Today, but y'all need to know that my office hours are from. My office hours are from.
What is it? 9 to 5. Oh, Red.
Oh, Red beat him up, man. Red didn't have to do him like that, bro. You hit the clip.
Got it. I got it now. 9 to 5. Yes, sir.
Oh, I got it.
What is it? Oh, yes, sir.
You know what it is.
Got the first one, y'all.
I want my dollar too, sucker.
Hey, I put him on the first one. You know why? Because that's what guides do.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Say, dog, that's a nice one.
Yeah, he all right.
Yeah.
And look, he muddy.
On the bottom. Big one. Oh, flip him in, Keith. Oh. Flip him in, Keith. Oh. Yeah, that's a nice one too. All right, we both on the board, y'all. Let's go. So right now we, yep.
Go to the right.
So right now we're looking for structure with our side scan. And I think we locate, we just got to get a little bit closer to it. Then throw that marker buoy out on it. We went over it one time and we lost it. But it was holding crappie on there, so. That marker buoy is gonna be key. I'll give you a better picture once we get closer to it.
Now it's on the right. Alright, so we know it's behind us.
Behind us, yeah.
And that's showing about 48 feet.
Should be right on top of it. 'Cause that was a wide turn, you know what I'm saying? So you took up that 48 right there, I bet. Let's see, y'all. We're just scanning. This is what we're looking at, y'all.
Is that it?
I don't think so.
No?
Nah.
I know the depth of water was 18
Gotcha.
something when we went over, because I did see that at least.
What's that to the right? Oh, it's a lay down.
This?
Yeah, just lay down. That ain't it. I got the buoy ready. Ain't no fish on it though.
So that wasn't the same thing?
That ain't the same thing, Because when I seen on down, it was bigger than that. And it had fish around it. We'll find it, just gonna take some time. So now what Hookset's gonna do, y'all, is just throw it back to the buoy. And now we're gonna see exactly where it is. And if it's not on that buoy, we'll pull the buoy up again and re-drop it. That way we have a reference point. I dropped it. That's it right there. That is it, buddy. Nice. Get closer and more on the big leg. Oh, yeah. You want to get 50 feet out, 60 feet out? Yeah. Boom. Oh. God. Look at that. Hold on, let me show y'all what we see right here. We got to get a close up of that. See that? We got to get a close up.
Let's see. Let me pull it in.
That's what we see, y'all. Gosh almighty, T.
Yeah, that's cool. God. That was Crappie. That's Crappie.
Oh yeah.
That's Crappie.
Yes, sir. He caught me.
No.
He caught me.
Yeah, bro. It's hard to get down in there too.
All right, y'all. First drop, and I can honestly say this fish caught me. I was not ready. They got him in a ton, the hard sport. God dang it.
Good one too, Keith. He was good, bro.
Let's go down there and get him.
He come off on me. He come off, man. That's because I was sitting down, bro.
Well, don't sit down then, T.
It's because I was sitting down, man. There's too many of them for him to leave.
Right.
They ain't got nowhere else to go.
Oh my God, boy! Oh,
yeah. Woo! I tell you, they down there.
Gosh almighty!
Hey, see if that fish got my hook in his mouth. See if he got my hook in his mouth, man.
Yeah, he got one.
Dirty dog.
And it's tied to my line. Gosh almighty! All right, y'all. We pulling them in. Let's go. Flick it. by, I would say by 12:30 or 1 o'clock, I had a one-man limit. That's a 10.
Yeah.
That's a 10. Ripped his lip. He's an old lip ripper. He'll go in. Hey, what we doing here, y'all? We're fishing a submerged silo, and it's awesome. I think I took a picture of it already. If not, I'll insert one to the video later on. It's pretty cool looking. Got something though. Little? Yeah. Oh, that's a 10, man.
Maybe.
Yeah, he eat. Put him in the tub.
On the top of this fucking cool.
You got a mark on there?
Yeah.
Okay. I knew that.
I know. Hey. I was about to get both of those locked up. I was about to do it in centimeters.
No, don't do centimeters.
Inches. Yeah, little over 10. Hey, part of his tail cut off too. one part of his tail. Hello?
Oh.
Hey, what's up? What?
That'll keep y'all.
Okay. On a cruise?
That'll keep y'all.
Well, I can believe it.
Catfish. Alright, I'm out of here.
Hey, be quiet, 'cause I gave you a brand new bucket.
You didn't give me nothing. You stole my bucket.
I borrowed your bucket. And I had to promise you that I would give you a new bucket in return. That's how dirty you are.
But did
boy.
you give me a new bucket?
You know what? Trash!
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 Oh, Bubba Dub.
Yo!
All right, y'all. Hey, boy, we got some pigs in here, man. We finna get out of here, y'all.
Yeah, they about to kill that kid.
Yeah, we got us a limit out here. But as usual, hey, thank y'all for watching. We appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate y'all. Catch and Key.
Hook set.
We'll catch y'all later.